Hey folks, I just wanted to jump on here really quickly and show you something found really interesting. I've been talking about how these candles here seem when they're the last candle down turns green, so it's the lowest point as well. It turns finishes green. A lot of times we could use that as a breaker. Well, something that when I first started watching ICT, a lot of his videos he traded when we came to a reversal pattern. He switched to a 15-second chart and he would mark out his shift in market structure from this 15-second chart. And so from this perspective, our breaker is right here. And I just wanted to show once we get above it, like we kind of traded above it there, then back down. Candle bodies respected the bottom here as well. And we never did violate the bottom of that breaker with candle bodies again. From a 15-second chart perspective, that's pretty cool. And then we made a dip down here. I was actually in a long here, and much to my chagrin, we came down and we touched the top of that 15-second breaker to the tick. Pretty much stayed in this range all day, made one more deep dive, touched it again. Not to the tick, we went in a little bit into it, but definitely price was responding to that 15-second breaker. We finally made a run and took out the high of the day, which was about 50% of the entire day's range. That's pretty much where we stayed. This level right here was 50% of the day's entire range. So that's the high of the day and that's the low of the day. We can put a fib on that and you can see that's where we wanted to trade to there. 50% of the range was about as high as we wanted to go. So there, that 15-second deal, when I see a candle body go down there like that from now on, I believe I am going to switch over to a 15-second chart and just see how price respects it. I've done a 30-second before, and it's respected it very well to the tick. So if we look at a 30-second perspective here, whoa. We don't have a candle body till we get up here. And so that 15-second, I just moved that one, but I don't know how far I moved it. The 15-second, if you look at it from that perspective, we mark it out, and then we change back to a 1 minute. It still is respecting it. To the tick there, just a tick below there, but still candle body is wonderfully respecting it. And we never did get back below it. That's the lowest point we went after that. So that would be our lower high. We move away with a fair value gap. You enter there, and you just aim for the lowest hanging fruit, which would be that green candle. Would be our low hanging fruit. Stop goes below the breaker. You'd have been good. You'd have been good. Just interesting little take on that. 15-second chart seems insane, but it actually does work sometimes. And I know ICT used to use it exclusively on his reversal patterns. In 2023, he said some people didn't have access to the 15-second chart, so he did it with 1 minute charts. But prior to that, a lot of the videos I'd watched, and I've watched hundreds of his videos, he talked a lot about, I'm calling out these price levels to the tick with a 15-second chart. And he was very proud of himself for being able to do that and did not mince any words when he talked about his ability to do that. So if you go back and watch some of his 2022 live trading stuff, you can hear him talk about his 15-second chart prowess. But I think it holds some weight for sure. If we get down here and we don't have a breaker until a million miles away, switch to these lower time frames and see. Maybe they will provide you an entry. Because when we take a major time frame like that, a bounce is likely, and this will just give you a little more confidence in holding your long. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to one another. I love each and every one of you. I'm going to share with you my psychological technique I've been using to keep me from jumping into trades that are not productive for me. It's just very simple. You can use it. It may help you. I am a reversal trader. So when we're having a big rundown like this, I just have to watch it. I can't jump in. That's where I lose all my money, is jumping into something like that. I get caught on a pullback. So if I am a reversal trader, I have to wait until a higher time frame, higher low, gets taken, and then I can enter a trade only when a reversal pattern is present. So in this case, this would be our reversal pattern on a lower time frame chart, like a 15-second chart even. So normally I use a 1 minute, but in this situation, I wish I would have used a 15-second, because I would have been max profit day right here. This would have filled me, and I would have made, all I needed was 30 points. And I could have definitely made my 30 points right away on that reversal. So until next time, remember, follow those rules. Only trade reversals when a reversal pattern is present. Mark out your 4-hour highs, 4-hour lows, daily highs, daily lows, weekly highs, weekly lows. That's what this one was. 4-hour, daily, and weekly right there. I expect Asia to have a rebound because, well, we could range here. We could continue to range here. But a major level has been taken. I see some stuff up front that needs to be taken as well. I mean, up above this area. So it'll be an interesting opening at 5. We have until 4 o'clock tomorrow to make something happen. Talk to y'all next time.